just wanted to do a quick tutorial on how to remove the heads carefully from the drinking wet ponies. I haven't seen many tutorials about this online, and I was looking for one myself when I was trying to retail this particular one because she had tail rust. So I'm actually going to be showing it with this little pony over here, who has the beginnings of tail rust. I need to get her tail out. So what you're going to need for this is, as per usual, a pair of pliers, like you're taking out the tail of another pony. So she had a little bit of an issue trying to get, well, I had a little bit of an issue trying to get her head off because of glue. So I actually, off camera, took an X-Acto knife to her. If you want to do this on your own, be very careful that you don't cut into the neck plug. Basically what you want to do is carefully tug on the head, enough that you're not going to rip it, but enough that you're not going to pull the tubing out that's inside that makes them drinking wet, essentially. So you just pop this off, and you should have it looking something like this, or like this. The tubing should still be attached within there. You want to move it to the side so that you can see the tail in there, which is kind of hard to see because it's dark, of course. But carefully take your needle nose pliers and push it inside and see if you can grab the tail. Now, if that's not possible, which I'm having trouble with this again, see if you can possibly push the tail inside a little bit. Again, being careful that you don't rip anything or damage anything. And I think it's going in a little bit. But that should leave you with a little bit more of an area to grab. So go back in with your pliers and pull. Alright, moving a little bit. See if you can see that. Keep pulling. And that should bring the tail right out. So you see she doesn't have her tail anymore. And the tubing is, again, still attached. So you can't really stick it. There we go. Tubing is still attached. No problem. So just set her aside for a moment. And then you want to proceed with a normal retailing, which is typically removing this little metal bit, which you can keep dropping things. It's rusted. It's not usable anymore, essentially. And this part actually isn't rusted yet. We're going to be removing it to prevent future rust. So I'm probably going to be making a video on retailing in the future, maybe with this pony, maybe with another pony. But essentially you want to proceed with a regular retailing, which typically, if you want it to stop rusting, you can use zip ties, which I will show in another video. But you want to proceed with a regular retailing, and then once you go to put the tail back on, you want to again move it down or move it to the side and pull it in like a regular retail. Just make sure that you are avoiding the tubing in here, and then once she's done, you can just pop her head back in and she'll be good as new and look something like this. So I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, let me know, but that's essentially what you do. Thanks for watching.